Hi everyone, thank you for clicking that play button. If this is your first time here, my name's Ashley, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what's inside the new LovEvery Inspector Play Kit. The Inspector Play Kit is for months 7 to 8. My son is currently 10 months old, so he has had plenty of time to play with these toys. Up first is the Things I See texture cards. Now, I want to begin by saying my son is absolutely obsessed with these cards. We go through these cards multiple times a day, every single day. He's 10 months and he's still not tired of them. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to do an Amazon comparison so you guys can decide if this subscription box is right for you based off the toys that we have in the box. Unfortunately, Amazon didn't have anything similar, but they did have a baby sign language board book that had cartoon images. And then if you wanted real life human people showing sign languages, they did have a paperback, which isn't really ideal for a young baby. The ball set from Amazon is a mixture of different textures, whereas the ball set I'm going to show you guys, this one has shipping costs, which I did not like. On Amazon, they did have the option where you could get 3 of those baskets for that price. At 10 months, my son has finally gotten the hang of this permanence box. He absolutely loves putting the ball in the hole and watching it come out on the other end. So yeah, you can find this on Amazon for $36.99. Amazon didn't have anything similar, but they did have a puzzle that had 3 pieces as opposed to 1. I just want to hop on and say this drinking cup is absolutely great. It's really good at helping babies learn how to drink from an open mouth cup. Unfortunately, I was not able to find anything similar on Amazon. They did have drinking cups, but nothing with a handle to make it easier for the baby to hold. The next couple images are of my son playing with the Things I See texture cards, and I just wanted to show you guys how much he loves these cards. He actually has his favorite images that he will kind of fish through the pile and pick out and look at. So I just wanted to illustrate that for you guys. Also, I wanted to note that LovEvery did recently change their inspector kit. So I'll quickly go through some of the things that LovEvery had changed in the inspector kit. One of the things that they had changed is the Things I See texture cards. This actually used to be a board book, and personally speaking, I prefer the fact that they are individual cards because I'm able to grab 2 or 3 of my son's favorite cards, throw them in my diaper bag, and take them on the go. The treasure basket is different. My treasure basket has a handle, which I prefer. So they did not include a pouch, a parent gift, as well as a board book called Talking. And these were just various talking topics that you can have with your baby. So if you were to purchase these items individually, it'll cost you approximately $156.48. All right, so my final thought is that I think the box is worth it. My son absolutely loves playing with the toys, and I really do believe that they've helped with his development. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, like if you got value, and please share with anybody that might be interested in the LovEvery Play Kits.